This is hell falling down.
Oh. As soon as I said holy hell. Remember?
Shh. I'm not making a video. Be quiet.
Oh, my bad. That's hell.
Don't step outside and crack in the head.
I'm scared.
What is it exactly?
Hell. I want to test it out. Literally ice.
It's ice. Why is there ice falling from the sky? How is ice falling?
I'm scared.
And there's a gigantic
Lightning.
lightning and then random hail.
Before, like 2 seconds before it, there was like freaking
A flicker.
flicker.
Yeah, I'm making a video. Be quiet. But I was outside trying to get my order and then get cracked in the head. Now it's ice. I mean, well, just water now.